Outlets Kansas City. They went all out for their launch party. The celebration was full of giveaways, music, and good vibes. Tanger Outlet recently took over the Legends, and if you didn't know, Tanger has an app where you can see deals, store info, and it's even free to join. They do have a paid VIP membership option, which gives you even more exclusive coupons and early access to sales and promos. I found deals like Adidas, Crocs, Carter's, H&M, and even Nike. They truly have something for everyone. I love this shopping center because being a Chiefs fan, they have a rally house. They've got all the game day gear you need and all the KC pride you want. Tanger Outlets Kansas City is perfect for holiday and even Black Friday shopping. The outdoor setup makes it even more of a vibe, even in this chilly weather. And you already know I had to end my time at this launch party in the confetti chamber winning some coupons. Be sure to check out Tanger Outlet Kansas City during this holiday season for shopping, and don't forget to download their app. Follow for more Kansas City fun and fall